What happened to your phone, you said, miss?
My boyfriend got mad at me and he broke it. He slammed it on his knee.
Oh my gosh.
Yep.
It's bent too?
Yep.
Wow.
I don't know if it's fixable. Can you fix it? Can you also change the color as well?
Don't worry. I got you. Surgery time. Your phone is ready, miss.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Hopefully you don't break it again.
I hope so.
I hope so too. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter.